What's up guys, welcome back to Morimoto Lighting. I'm Bear Dellinger and today we're going to be doing some headlight installs for your 2019 and up Ram. If you have those stock halogen headlights just like this one, but you want a little bit more of an upgrade, these are our premium headlights and they are called the Morimoto XBs. So let's tell you all about these and then get straight into the install. These feature an intense white DRL with a dim parking light function and a sequential turn signal. It has bi-LED projectors with an ultra-high output, paired with square clear lenses against a nice gloss black finish, giving them a nice modern look. Made with OEM grade PC lenses that won't fade, crack, or yellow over time, and they even come with a 5-year warranty. They are a full plug-and-play system, making installs a breeze. The way we do our testing to find out how bright or how dim a headlight is by using a digital lux meter. This measures actual usable brightness at a certain point. This is way better than measuring lumens when comparing headlights. At 25 feet from the wall, we measured the stock halogen lights. The low beam came in at 270 max lux. Use this number as the benchmark to compare the XB headlights. With the Morimoto XB, they came in at 1,170 max lux, which is 333% brighter than your stock halogen. It has that nice crispy line and also with that white modern look. Now with your stock halogen on high beams, they came in at 490 maximum lux. With the Morimoto XB high beams, they came in at 1,220 maximum lux, which is 148% brighter than your stock halogens. And you can tell the difference with the beam pattern and also the colorization. So enough of talking, let's get straight into the install. All right, so for this install, these will be the tools that you'll be using. A flashlight, a ratchet of your choice, a Phillips screwdriver, a wedge tool, pliers, an 8mm, 10mm, and then plastic tools to help with clips. So first thing, go ahead and get the hood pop. Take a wedge tool and remove the 12 plastic push tabs that are located on the top of your grill. With those out of the way, you now can remove the radiator cover. Just pull up, push back, and then fold in the two side corners of it to release it from the inner fenders. Once that's done, just set it aside. Next, we're going to remove the plastic trim piece that is on top of the grill. There will be 8 10mm bolts and 2 plastic push clips you will need to remove. Once those are removed, you can just pull it up, straight out, and set it aside. Next step, we're going to remove the 4 8mm bolts running along your inner fender. Once those are removed, just pull the liner down and away from the fender. With that out of the way, you now have access to this 10mm bolt that you will be removing. After you have that removed, there will be a small little lip on the lower clip. Just pull down on it and pull out and it'll release it from the fender. Just be careful when removing this piece to not break any of the plastic clips that are closer to the grill because it is a snug fit. Now it's time to remove the grill. There are 3 bolts on each side of the grill and 4 on the top. With all those removed, just pull up on these 2 tabs and then pull the grill backwards to remove it and set it aside. Now let's move to the headlights. Remove the plastic push tab and screw on the top and 1 bolt on the side. When removing the bottom bolt, make sure you have a firm grip on the headlight so it does not fall out. Now you can slowly pull out your headlight and reach around, disconnecting the two connectors. And just do the same exact steps to the other side. With the headlight out now, we must remove the OEM brackets and place it onto your new Morimoto headlight. You'll be using a Phillips to remove the 3 screws from the bottom and 2 screws on the side of the housing. And then line it up onto your Morimoto headlight using the same hardware and tighten them down. Then flip the headlight and remove the smaller bracket using the same Phillips to remove these 3 screws. Just place that bracket onto your new housings like they were on your OEM headlight, and then tighten them down to ensure a great fit once installed. Now it's time to install the DRL harness. Go ahead and remove the fuse box lid and locate fuse slot 38. Just remove the 10 amp fuse and replace it with our Morimoto fuse tap. Once that is done, just place the fuse lid back on and start running the shorter lead to the driver's side and run the longer lead alongside the OEM harness over to the passenger side. Now go ahead and grab your headlight and start plugging in all the connectors and making sure they are nice and secured. If you'd like to have a solid turn signal, connect these 2 connectors. If you would like the sequential turn signal, then keep this disconnected. Once that is done, you can go ahead and place both your headlights in securely and test out all the functions before buttoning everything back up. With everything working properly, go ahead and secure any loose wiring and tighten down all bolts, and then you're good to go. Alrighty guys, and just like that, your Morimoto XB headlights are installed. If you want to find out what other products we have in store for your Ram, such as the Morimoto 4-banger fog light replacements and everything else, make sure to go over to our website and put in your year, make, and model, and we'll catch you guys over there.